Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my own.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines, coming at you from my mobile office. Isn't it beautiful? No, I'm kidding, guys. So I want to update you guys a lot on my life. I feel like I've kind of updated you guys throughout videos, but I haven't made an entire video kind of explaining everything that's been going on. So by the title, you guys can see that we sold our home. So by that was our starter home. We've given you guys kind of tours, mini tours here and there. I've never done like a full house tour, which is what you guys will see today. But before I jump into that tour, I do kind of want to explain, like I said, what's going on. So basically, Weston got a new job and it was a relocation. So we lived in Orange County in Southern California. This job was in the Bay Area, so Northern California. So because of that, we had to transition from our home, our starter home, to basically buying a new home. We also didn't know if we were going to rent. We were going back and forth. There was so much going on. And right now, since he already got the job, he already started working up north and we don't have our home yet, we're actually staying with family for a few weeks, which is why I'm in my car right now. I literally have to make the best of the situation because it's kind of unfortunate, but at the same time, it's not because it's something exciting. Like, great things are happening, if that makes sense. So yeah, so basically we put our house on the market. It ended up selling in, I think, like 8 days. So super quick. I'm going to show you guys exactly where we lived, show you guys every last thing. We did update the kitchen. You guys will see that. And I'll also insert clips of what it looked like before because it was very outdated. We updated the bathroom, updated the flooring upstairs. A lot of things were updated right before we moved out. And also even throughout the years that we lived there, I like painted the walls. Like, I try to make it as beautiful as possible, even though it was a bit of an older home. But yeah, I think that's all the explanation. I hope that explains everything of what's been going on. That's why I'm literally in my car right now. Oh, as far as little details about the home, it was actually a townhome. I know I've mentioned before we call it a condo, but it was actually a townhome. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. The kitchen was pretty spacious. I think the entire condo was like townhome was close to 1,400 square feet, which is pretty spacious. Like the master was big. You guys will see like everything was really spacious. I had my office there. Then we had the guest bedroom, our master. Like it was the perfect starter home, but you guys will see, we have some exciting news. You guys will see hopefully our new home, if it all works out. It is a bit of an upgrade. So you guys will see that really, really soon. Moving vlogs, all that, although not the best moving vlogs, but a lot of home decor and like furnishing a new place, like super exciting stuff like that is going on. I'm actually headed shopping today for all that, a lot of that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for all that. Turn on your post notifications, subscribe if you're not subscribed, give this video a thumbs up if you guys end up enjoying the home tour. Yeah, let's jump into the tour. Okay, so here's the front door. You walk in and you see the entire living room. So here's our couch, the coffee table. There is a little bit of like some PR packages and stuff. And then the TV with the whole TV stand and everything. A little love seat. Then over here I put these shelves up. The dining table with these really pretty dining chairs that I found at Home Goods. So super good find. And then under the stairs is one of those like weird places that you're like, what do you put down here? But right now we just have a few bags and packages and stuff that we need to load up. Then you come this way and the kitchen is over here. I do have moving boxes there that I need to take upstairs. But here is the overview of the kitchen. I'll insert clips of what it looked like before. And sorry I have the laundry going on, but I need to get that done before we move. But I think it looks so pretty. You guys should have seen what it looked like before. It was literally like so outdated. This obviously makes the biggest difference in the world, and I'm all about a white kitchen. I feel like it just looks so clean, and it is just like a white quartz countertop. So quartz countertop is what it is. Yeah, and then it just looks like this. It's pretty like wide. It's actually a really decent size, especially for a townhome. Then out there is my reflection and the patio. You come over this way, and this is where you guys would always see me make my coffee. This is my Nespresso machine over here with a little bar cart. I made it my whole little coffee station. I did this in a DIY a long time ago, and I still love it. I think it's so cute, so super cute. And then this way I got my laundry going on right now. Right here it's a mess, and we have storage and stuff. And then over here is a pretty simple bathroom. I guess I could show you guys. Nothing fancy. This one still needed to be remodeled. But we felt like it was pretty simple, so we didn't really do that before moving out or before selling it. And then the fireplace over there, I love. It's just so pretty and homey, and especially when it's on, it looks really pretty. So then you come up the stairs over here. Let's go up. And we have new flooring throughout. So it is just a laminate and it's a gray shade. I think it looks so pretty. And then the bathrooms, well, bathroom, I should say, looks like this. It is all pretty new. So new mirror, new vanity, new toilet, everything is like pretty new. And then the showers over there, nothing fancy or anything. Then over here, this is all pretty new also. I did a video on it also a while back, and I had put like a marble wallpaper on the countertop. But we finally actually got like a nice, good new countertop, one of these pretty sinks. And then I liked the contrast of like the dark with the dark handles. So I did choose that out. I loved it. I thought it looked really cool. So love that. And then a huge mirror there. And then you come over this way, and this is the whole master. I've done like a room tour, I think, before. So you guys have probably seen this. But we did put this swing up like 2 years ago, probably. It's been up for a while. Then over here, I have my dresser in the corner, my bed, some frames and shelving, and then the light here. All of this was redone like throughout the last 2 years that I was here. So I think it looks so pretty and I love it. And then of course some white curtains over here, and it's really spacious also. Like this is a pretty big master, especially compared to like a lot of the houses and townhomes that we've seen. Like it's a really spacious master. So then we can come on over this way. We come this way, and I do have a box because I was literally about to start moving, and then I realized that I wanted to film this video. So then over here is the office space, which I've done a tour of also. We put shelves up right there. There's these two really pretty stands over here. So that's actually two separate ones, and I just put them side by side. So they look like this. There's a closet right there, which is full of clothes. And then over here is all of my studio lights, a little bit of like storage and stuff. My mirror, my full length mirror that I moved up here recently. And this is where I've been taking like a lot of my selfies and stuff like that. So then, yeah, it's pretty simple. I do have a rug here, which I feel like makes it look so much homier and really pretty also. Then you move over here. This is the last bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom. Let me turn on the light, and it looks like this. This wasn't something that I like styled this way. Like I don't think this matches at all, but I used to have that in my super old bedroom. And it looked way better over there, and I've just had it this whole time. I'm probably just gonna give it to family before I leave because I don't think I want to take that with me. And then this bed I used to have in my super old bedroom also. So this room is really basic and simple, but it's just a cute little guest bedroom, and it is a pretty decent size also. And then over here we've got another closet, which is full of my clothes once again. So literally so much space. And it was like the perfect starter home. I feel like I'm gonna miss it. It's starting to hit me that we're actually moving out this weekend. So pretty crazy, pretty cool. That's kind of like the whole overview of this entire home that I hadn't ever showed you guys. But yeah, there it is. There you guys have it. Okay, so that's gonna be everything for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully the explanation made sense, because I had a lot of people sending me messages saying like, I thought you guys were moving and you haven't moved yet and such. Weston moved out a few weeks after he got the job. I stayed back home to sell the place to make sure that everything was running smoothly. There was some updating that still had to happen. Like there was just, if you guys have ever sold a home, like there was a lot going on. So I stayed home for that. And then as soon as it sold, which it actually like closed escrow last week, I came up last week. So I've been up here up north now, and now we are actually in the process of buying a new home. So that's everything that's been going on. Hopefully that all made sense. And yeah, because of the relocation, that's literally the reason why these videos have been like so hard to film. But hopefully you guys enjoy my mobile office, as Weston likes to call it. But yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.